radio station previously in Norfolk.
Yeah.
And that's what it just piggybacks on. It's just a radio that just doesn't stop on a signal. And they try and use the white noise around it to say there's words. A famous one, or a famous and infamous one, was done by some, how can we apply, some dickhead who reckons he's a great medium up north. And what he did is he did a spirit box session the day Stephen Hawking's passed. So of course all the radio stations were talking about Stephen Hawking.
Yeah.
So he would get this thing and go, Stephen Hawking, because it's news time. Oh, hello Stephen Hawking, hello my friend, how are you? Like, hey mate, firstly, Stephen Hawking does not know you. Secondly, there's no way in hell he would come and talk to a crap radio. And thirdly, you're listening to a radio. They're like, unbelievable, but all these sheep are loving it. Oh yeah, this is really great, you're really talking to Stephen Hawking. No, you're listening to some bloke playing a radio on the day that unfortunately this great man died. And he's making himself famous out there.
Yeah.
I felt so sorry for him, for Hawkins. He'd been studying black holes all his life. About a month after he died, boom, the first black hole was actually pictured. I felt so sorry for him.
You've seen the film?
I haven't yet, and I should do.
Brilliant film. Really, really good show.
I certainly will do.
Because we're ignoring them, they're back in the room now. Yeah, really was a good film, I enjoyed that. Someone else did that in America actually for that basketball star Kobe died last month, was it? Basketball player Kobe, something like that, he died in the helicopter crash with his daughter.
Yeah,
Some paranormal group were on that the same day he died, saying they were talking to him. And that's just disrespectful in my book.
Yeah. So while you were talking now, I could hear a very faint scream, like a female voices, but like screams. Very just
Did you say screams?
a little bit, yeah.
Oh dear. That doesn't sound good.
It might have been just voices, but
Well, if we heard screams, that give a little idea of what actually has been going on in here.
Guess we'll find out later.
yeah.
Are you still here, Elizabeth? Margaret, are you here? Are you here, Margaret?
Go back in there. Can you make a noise on the pew? A knock, please.
Thelma, are you here?
Someone actually called their kid Thelma.
Hmm?
Someone called their daughter Thelma.
Yeah, Thelma.
Scooby and Shaggy next.
We just done a film. I starred in a horror comedy film last year, and one of the woman's names that were in the actual ghost hunt in the cast, her name was Daphne Thelma. And nobody would have had a clue about her because she was in her latter age as to what Scooby-Doo was. Well, that was a bit of a giggle.
I'm living wobbly.
Wobbly.
Yeah, just yeah.
Drunk.
No. Hello? Hello?
He doesn't say he's just stand here, just stand here, just feel like...
You get that, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
So somebody else picked up
It's like, I'm standing straight.
Yeah.
But I'm not, because I'm swaying.
Yeah, sort of. I feel just wobbly. I feel a bit.
That's why I step back.
I thought something had come in for a second. I thought that's why you're doing
No,
it.
you can stand here. Just stand here. I'm standing straight on my feet, but I can feel my feet lifting.
Feel as though you're
I'm standing.
going backwards and forwards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I had 3. We didn't know what it was until a couple of mediums came in. And then there's been 2 or 3 after that. They all said the same thing. It was a seaman, and he was hanging. He got hung.
In here.
Yeah, I'm guessing so.
Explains the.
Yeah, you can feel it. It's just standing. I don't wobble when
No.
I'm standing there.
That's why I put my glasses back on. I need to focus.
I just thought it was me because I was getting just unsteady on my feet, so I let them against the wall. But
Yeah.
I come back here and now you can feel it.
A lot of people get it. I get it myself.
You're doing it now.
Yeah. There's nothing you can do about it.
Quite
It's weird. I've never felt that before. Never. On a ghost hunt.
There's nothing you can do about it to stop yourself.
No, no matter. Even if you're trying your hardest, just stand still. I'm not moving. I don't want to move. I don't want to move. No, I'm going backwards.
Don't tell where
Let's go now.
I've got a container here. I've got a metal forking spade here. So I'm trying to keep still.
I'm not going to stand for those. It's quite weird actually. It's quite bizarre.
Yeah.
It's quite a weird sensation. And he's coming for it as well.
Nothing you
I'll
can
get my
do.
camera in here.
There's nothing you can do to stop yourself. That's the thing of it.
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing.
Right. So move the camera around so you can see.
What's that thing?
What we're doing here is we're just standing here and the camera can pick up. I'm just going to stand straight. No, I'm alright at the moment.
Yeah, it comes and goes up.
It does.
So I can't at the moment. Here, this side.
Just stand straight. Here we go. I'm going.
Kind of gone.
I'm actually beginning to feel sick now.
Yeah.
Just the second time I come in, I actually know I feel sick. I don't get seasick. And what it is, for the sake of my camera, is we're all swaying like we're on a boat.
I'm alright now.
Apparently, there was a sailor hung here, which we don't know anything about. You see, turn the camera around Eddie. As you see Eddie, he's swaying quite nicely, but he's trying his hardest to stand in one spot.
You can't.
He can't. And it's the same with all 3 of us. It only came on in the last couple of minutes. I thought it was me, it's why I went against the wall.
Quite a few people have experienced it. As I say, as now had 4 mediums say the same thing, that there was a seaman hung.
It's quite a strange sensation. You're trying your hardest to stand still. Even lean forward to try and stand still. I'm leaning forward slightly now. I can feel myself going left and right. No, I'm going back now and forward. Supposed to be a big weight, something.
Weird sensation, that.
It is, it's an interesting sensation. That's my stomach again.
Tum-tums.
Have you eaten too much or are you not eating enough?
I'd go with not eating enough, actually.
Roasting me up.
Well, you wouldn't think of me looking at me, I don't eat a lot of this. This is actually malnutrition.
I had salmon and mash tonight.
Oof.
Hot salmon and mash.
I like salmon. It's
Me
good.
too.
Good for you as well.
That's right. Yeah, glasses, back in my glasses.
Full of,
It's getting very strong in here as well again. Headache, spiritual headache.
Lots of great seafood love myself.
Hmm?
No, I don't really like. Holding batteries is about as exotic as I get.
I love
I'm
it.
going that. I'm now going like that.
I might push the boat up and down a bit haddock. You're talking about fish, well, I think about a sailor.
Yeah.
Do they know the sailor's name that was hung?
No. No name has come forth for him.
Somebody's gone for it now.
Hmm?
My stomach again.
Just feel like it goes that way now.
But it's interesting because you just don't normally feel that way, do you? Can't really go backwards.
Should we try the front? Well,
No, it's more the down front section.
yeah, that's good, mate.
Okay. Well, you've experienced something pretty interesting there, haven't you? And it's all going on with other people.
Battery, it's just died.
You got any more?
Yeah.
You good? Yeah, I won't be able to see otherwise. I was really clever tonight. Oh well.
Still there? Yeah.
Something's flashing.
There's the board.
Oh, you wouldn't think that's 9:30 already.
Hey?
9:30 already.
It's amazing that.
Yeah.
Have you noticed the swine has stopped?
Yeah. I have anyway. Yeah.
That's interesting.
Could you have to change his batteries anymore? Into the other part of the room.
Gun chancellor, are you? Gonna grab a battery because I can see that's on its last leggies.
Yeah, I'll have to read that. I like reading things in churches.
What's that?
A new battery. Fully charged before it came out.
Matt,
Yeah.
take one of them leaflets, shine a torch,
I
and
think that's the one I took.
you already got one, have you?
It's the same, that is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've already know.
Have you got one?
I haven't got any alcohol now.
Grab one then. I'll give you.
I do a little bit of research these days.
I've never actually heard of this place.
Church.
The names on that one are quite interesting, especially like a little bit like me, a bit of a genealogist.
Just doing a little scan around to get an idea of behind you.
I was reading something, what was it called? Watching Mystic Britain. And, Romans, and then pagans, and then Christianity. Quite interesting.
Fascinating, isn't it?
We have flip mines just down the road from here as well, don't we?
Yep,
Yeah.
indeed. Grimes Graves. So, that's amazing that.
Originally a lot of Dutch, Germanic, French, Northern.
It's like you never confess all your sins, you evil.
Oops. I That's the door just banged, that's all. That was me, actually. I'd done it because I didn't think I'd hit it that hard.
That was the door slamming.
Yeah, that was me as well. Done that. I just didn't think I'd hit it that hard.
Oh, so you were right. Hmm? Yeah, that's why I emptied it out. Right, we're in the front now of the church. Yeah, front, where the altar is.
Oh.
The altar, yeah.
In the chancel.
There's things about this church. In most churches, this one isn't.
What's that?
It's built in the shape of a cross.
Very few of them are, but there is some that's certainly around.
That's why they haven't, because they always have it in the same way. They always have this end facing one way and that end, like that's north and south, wasn't it? Something, or east and west, I can't remember which way around it goes. But all the churches face the same direction.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Sorry?
It's getting really cold down where I was standing.
We're going to take up my wall. Stand right in front of the camera as well. I'll move the camera out of this.
No, that's ideal. Oh, I see your camera.
Stand right in front of my camera. Are there any spirits here in this church? Any ladies, gentlemen, children? Like to come and make yourselves known to us, please do. There's a ball there you can play with if you're a child or a big kid. If you're an adult in here seeking solace, you can just give a little knock and we'll know to be a bit more quieter.
I'd say you adults to find that ball fun. I find it fun.
Yep, me too.
My paranormal, it's a paranormal spirit device or something.
Spirit ball.
Yeah. A cat toy, basically. Well, I bought a dog toy because I like to be different. And I shame for everyone else did.
Reverend Kendall, are you here?
Yeah, the nice one, the nasty one.
Sorry?
You always have nice reverends and nasty ones. They're always one with a bit of dark history about them.
Reverend Richard Kendall, are you here? Walter, are you here? Thelma, are you here? Tommy?
It's on the floor, that sweet colours.
Hmm?
It's a floor on the floor. Is anybody here who'd like to...
Have you got your camera on?
Yeah.
You have. Oh, I couldn't see any light coming from it.
Okay.
Carry on.
There is a little IR light on the side, little red one.
I've just got to quickly change the battery.
We'll pause, have 5 minutes break then. Have some, yeah, some trees start benefiting from the drink. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go pause this one.